Presenting the INFINITI 2014 Q50 Premium. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are deluxe touring package, leather seating package, navigation package, spare tire package, 14 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Bose Centerpoint simulated surround, CD player and Infinity Studio on wheels by Bose. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.